This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Tracey Young. Immaculate and available for seasonal lease now. Lease minimum 90 days. Big lakefront and golf views with absolutely the best views of 3 lakes and 3 fairways. Spectacular open floor plan with all tile flooring, no carpet. 3 bedroom, 3 full bath and unit with separate family room, new large screen TVs and a private elevator. Not only a gorgeous lakefront view, but expansive views of 3 fairways and the lake from your master bedroom, living room, dining room and from the kitchen. Convenient gin air grill right on your balcony and electric storm shutters also. Private elevator and remote entry control system to unlock front door for guests without walking downstairs. Plantation shutters throughout, dramatic volume ceilings, tile floors throughout the entire residence and out to the balconies also. All new stainless appliances not shown. Ravenna community offers its own poolside fitness center and social room. Pelican Marsh community features include a brand new fitness center, computer room, tennis club, 4 gated entries and wonderful walking paths. A full Tiburon golf membership is available with this property lease and for an additional fee, if desired. For more information, review the details below or contact Tracey Young at 239-209-7511.